What's up, guys? We're gonna be installing the carpet. So last video we ended up doing a trim black. It's all dusty. Haven't worked on truck for like 2 weeks, but we're basically gonna drop in the carpet, and I was actually blowing it off right now. So just getting the carpet in. Hopefully we can do the door panels and all of the inner trim today. So stay tuned, guys. Before I glue it down, I'm basically gonna try to test fit it. I'll probably end up doing all my cuts and then probably peeling the carpet back halfway, throwing down adhesive down, and then start gluing it from the middle to the outside. So right now I'm just gonna test fit it, do my cuts, and then basically remove it and then do the steps all over. So this one's actually gonna be a little hard. They do say they come fitted and molded to it, but it's gonna be kind of hard. Let's go to this guy. I did get this one professionally installed. I mean, it's not super perfect, but it's a little dark, but you know, there's still like wrinkles and stuff, so trying to cut down on the cost. So we're actually gonna install it ourselves. So after doing some cuts and stuff, I mean, it's laying down pretty nice. If you can see, this insulation has to meet up fairly up high, and then obviously this is another guy you want to go based off of, and that's pretty much it. I did end up cutting a little bit too much on this side, but that's why I was test fitting these guys in there. I am gonna start using some adhesive to glue it down. I might not glue the whole thing completely. I might just do the ends. Pretty much this is probably gonna be the only wrinkle part, but I was looking it up on the other truck that I took it to get it reupholstered, and it's about the same right there. So overall it looks pretty good. Like I said, I'll probably get a heat gun and I'll start throwing some adhesive, laying it down, and wherever I see a wrinkle up, I'll probably start using the heat gun to try to stretch it out my best. I'm gonna leave these cuts towards the end in case I have to pull it further back or something. But there it is, guys. So I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod. So this stuff, you do have to spray it on, let it tack off for like maybe 15, 20 seconds, and then start gluing it down. So I'm gonna see if I can peel it back from maybe up to here and then start gluing it this way, trying to get all the wrinkles out. I did notice on the other OBS that I took down to get reupholstered, the guy actually didn't glue it down as much, so I don't think we really need much adhesive. With this, I'll probably start gluing it like right here and then start peeling it back. I did get two different ones. I believe this is stronger than this, so I'm gonna give it a try. I'll probably do the high 90 on this side since there's gonna be more traffic. Driver tends to be in and out more than a passenger, so you can see the strands. So you just want to light coat it. old buddy of mine says he is an upholstery guy, and if you do get this stuff on the exterior of the carpet, he says gasoline tends to remove it pretty good, and it doesn't stain or doesn't start lifting up your carpet. In case you do get this stuff, because it does go like pretty much everywhere. You can tell the strands of it. The reason why I'm going with I actually got this carpet off eBay. The reason why I'm actually going with this because cost efficient. I got a quote from the upholstery guy. He wanted to quote me, I believe it was like $650 for him to basically redo my carpet. I bought this, I believe, for $175 online. So there's a pretty big cost on that, you know. Like I said, this is gonna be a flip truck. We're gonna try to profit as much money as we can, and I mean, he's gonna charge me $675 for both buckets. So that's basically as if I was taking it to get the carpet done. I'm trying to do it myself, trying to save a little bit more. So it's pretty tax free. Let's go ahead. Also, so you guys can keep in mind, guys, if you guys are gonna run a sound system, it would be best if you guys do run your wiring before you guys place your carpet down. This is a budget build, so there's already speakers on the side and there's already wiring. But like if you were about to run a amp or like dual amps on the back and you need to run a distribution wire from the front to the back, it'll probably be best if you do it before you lay down your carpet. Like I said, this is a budget build, so I'm just gonna get a nice Alpine or Sony stereo. So I actually did a bad cut over here. Hopefully you can't see it, and then now I'll just get a little piece of carpet and slap it in. I do have to make another cut over here by the fuse box. Get you guys up here. So right here you guys can see I actually did a cut before I tried to test fit it. Other than that, everything's going in nice and smooth. I have to do another cut right there. So see if we can get it with one hand. Come on, let me see. So this part is pretty much done. Like I mentioned before, there's the bad cut. Hopefully my kick panel will cover it, and if not, then I can just spray paint it black and it'll blend in. Like I said, you'll hardly see it, but overall it's looking good, guys. This is how much I still have to cut, you know. So I'm gonna cut here, and then our actual kick panel is gonna cover that nicely. But overall it's looking pretty good. Pretty happy with it. So we're gonna jump to the other side. You can see the big difference. So I am gonna peel this back, and I'll probably throw a little bit of adhesive right there. So they didn't glue down the actual carpet, right? So I will be throwing some adhesive in there. This stuff was actually, you can get it like in your Ace or like maybe O'Reilly's, AutoZone. I got this at Ace hardware store. It is a little pricey. It's probably like 18 bucks, but I mean, I still have like halfway. So maybe with one of these, you might be able to fully glue down your carpet. I actually tried to clean it my best, but it did have a previous carpet. You know, I was thinking of doing like a Dynamat under, or like, I actually bought more of this insulation for like noise resistance and stuff, but I don't think I need it. Same upholstery guy that I paid to get my other carpet installed, he didn't put anything. He basically slapped the same carpet on, and I think we should be good. It's pretty much tacked off, so let's see if we can start bringing this sucker down. Hard part. Pretty much running out. I just need the back, so you might need both of these, or two of these, I should say. Yeah, you can tell the difference from this, guys. So check it out, Super 77. It's a pretty good brand, made by 3M, but like you saw on the other ones, it throws like the. This is more like a spray. This is more like a, you know, like a thread looking glue. This is actually a lot better. So I would get this, the high strength 90. I am still waiting to take my seats. The guy pushed me back a little bit further. So if I do get the truck fully put back together, I might just steal the bench seat from the step side and drop it on this, so we can get a sale going a little bit faster. It all depends how long the upholstery guy's out. I'm not gonna be waiting. We do have our money tied on this and on the step side, and I've been spending quite some bit on parts for this, so we need to get the money flow going and getting rid of one, you know. This is gonna be the first one I saw. The step side needs more work, prepping it, painting it. Yeah, so this is more like a spray. I would get definitely the high strength 90. So pretty much it's laid down, so now we can start trimming it down, like on the edges, axes that we don't need. Alright guys, this is the update. So I'm putting in all the inner trim already. You guys can see. So I already have all of this. These clips did break. I got it like that, so it was broke. We do have some type of glue that we can put on here and then just, you know, hold it in place and it will stay. Same with the other side. I have to get my seat belts redone black. So all of the interior is gonna be black. This was a manual truck, so they did put aftermarket window regulator, so I have to run the wiring. I got it like this when they they actually cut them when they removed the doors to paint all the jams inside and everything. So, but pretty much there. Hopefully I can get my door handles in today. I can put door panels, all the weather stripping, and my mirrors. So for you guys after I'm done doing all of that. Yeah, it's getting there, guys.